Welcome to M&M Manufacturing in Tulsa, Oklahoma. My name is Kyle. I'm going to show you about being a CNC programmer today. Our job is to provide the tools to the shop floor for them to produce a certain product. Here we make a lot of aerospace parts for many different types of airplanes.
This here works part of the wing. It's part of the hinge that will make the flaps go up and down.
Aerospace parts are very tight tolerance. We hold on tolerances down to a 10,000th of an inch, 0.001. It's very important to have pride in what you do because you know what you're delivering to the end user, their life depends on it. My job is to give the machines instructions on how to cut the part.
All these G-codes is all generated by my CAM system.
I use a CAM system called Spree. I learned through some tutorials that Spree created. That CAM system will load a 3D model into it, which is a picture of the part. See all these little red lines here? That's the tool path I just generated. While you're seeing this tool path, you need to kind of know, hey, what's that going to sound like? Is it going to make a lot of noise? Is it going to squeal? Is it going to squeak? Is it going to break?
Anything I can do better on the program to make it simpler and easier?
I went to Tulsa Tag. That 2-year program was great. You learned so many different ways of doing things. I was able to land a job within a week. The beauty of this field is you don't need a 4-year degree. You can come in with a good educational base from high school. If you know a little bit of math or willing to pick up some math, it comes in handy. But you can learn everything you need right here on the job. I start off being a CNC operator. You can sit there and read the program and understand what each command sending to the machine does. Some of the best machinists I've been around have been women. It was incredible how precise their attention to detail.
What could go wrong?
A lot.
I'm missing decimal point, I'm missing zero. You could crash, you could scrap the part.
Another great skill that's required in this field is communication. Communication is key to being in this position. Math isn't such a big deal in my position, but geometry is. Being able to understand what tool configuration can cut what part. You have to work through 3D in your head, and you gotta be creative sometimes. It does take quite a bit of creativity to think a little bit outside the box. The best advice I give to somebody that's wanting to get into this field is to take a short course on manual machining and understand the basic fundamentals of how to cut metal.
You really want that chip to sling off the tool because that's where the heat goes when you cut. All the heat comes out in that chip.
It is a place where you can get in and a ground floor and move up, and the sky is the limit. Anywhere you go, as long as there's manufacturing and you want to work, you can find a job.
This technology just came out about 3 or 4 years ago.
CNC manufacturing is evolving. Technology in this business is continually changing. CAM systems get updated every year. Every update makes it a little bit more powerful. The future of manufacturing is going to be automation. If my career started today, I would look really heavy into robotic and automated manufacturing because that is the future in the United States. The greatest feeling I have from the job is when we complete a product and I'm able to get it through inspection, everything's great, there's no issues, and the customer's at the end satisfied. I love being a CNC programmer. It's a competition. It takes somebody that wants to compete and wants to make the part the quickest, the fastest, and if you have that drive, you'll go far.